guys, welcome back to a new video on the Kansas Fire Alarms channel. My name is Jake, but before we get into system test 29, I believe, or 28, something like that, we are joined by
Northern Fire Safety.
Go subscribe to him. I might link I'll try to put a link if I remember when uploading to his channel. But yeah, go subscribe to him. So, this, should be system test 28, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. Actually, let's look. Let's be sure. Because, okay, 28. Which this video is doing great, by the way, at the time of recording. The Wednesday, June 17th. So, yeah. Anyway, so we have the Kidde, well, first of all, we have the PFC 6006. We have the Kidde 278B, System Sensor 2151. A new device to my collection, the Gentex Commander 3 Outdoor Horn Strobe. This was mounted outside of the school, which I got the other Commander 3s from, and it works. Here's another Commander 3, but this one's also new, and I was able to deinstall it myself from the building, along with this BG12. They gave me this voice-evac panel, another Commander 3 missing a plate, and an addressable smoke detector by notifier. Anyway, so yeah, let's go out the hallway. Same pole station. HWLF, another Commander 3, the Chime Strobe, and another Commander 3 with the BG12, so it's kind of like the school. I'm gonna pull the BG12, okay? Alright, let's do this. Let's make sure I can. 3, 2, 1. Alright, so, I lost my magnet. That's great. Oh, wait, never mind. It's right here. So, we're going to magnet test the detector. Let's do this. This is 675. All the other strobes are on 15. Alright, let's pull the Kidde 278B. Oh, the strobes are out of sync now. Alright, so, the panel, it's locked, okay. Let's get the notifier key. Open this bad boy up. Okay.
Are the horns in sync by any chance?
Huh?
Are the horns in sync?
No, they're not. They don't do that.
It sounded like it for a second.
Yeah, they do that sometimes. So here's the panel. It actually came with batteries in it. And I believe it was hit by an excavator at some point. So, that's fun. So yeah, let's continue on to the final pull station. yeah, I'm just gonna say, I'd like to thank the Titan Built Company Corporation for letting me have all these notification appliances and that voice evac panel, this pull station, that smoke detector. As you know, they let this happen. They let me come into the site. You know, I had to wear a hard hat, but yeah. Anyway, so thank you guys so much for watching the video. Go subscribe to his channel. Subscribe to my channel while you're at it. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.